We're looking at number 3 for the most in demand or trade that's experiencing the biggest labor shortages, and that's going to be plumbers. Now, plumber shorter statistics. Approximately 550,000 plumbers are needed by 2030 to replace retirees and meet construction demands. The BLS, Bureau of Labor Statistics, projects steady demand for plumbers with 3 to 5% annual job growth through 2032, but only 2 younger workers enters for every 5 retirees.